Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious mutton. First, select a good cut like shoulder or leg, aiming for about 2 pounds for 4 servings. Trim excess fat, but leave some for flavor and moisture. Pat the meat dry thoroughly with paper towels before seasoning, which helps create a beautiful sear. Then, cut it into 2-inch pieces, ready for the next step in our cooking process. Marinating is key to tenderizing mutton and infusing it with deep flavors. A good marinade typically includes an acid, like 1/4 cup of lemon juice or plain yogurt, along with aromatic spices such as 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Combine these ingredients well with your mutton pieces. Allow the meat to marinate for at least 4 hours in the refrigerator, or preferably overnight, to achieve the best results. Searing creates a beautiful, caramelized crust and locks in the rich juices of the mutton. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or ghee in a heavy-bottomed pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Once the oil shimmers, add the marinated mutton in batches, avoiding overcrowding the pan. Brown each side for about 3 to 4 minutes until deeply golden. This crucial step develops a complex flavor foundation for your dish. Mutton truly shines with slow cooking, which breaks down tough fibers and yields incredibly tender meat. After searing, return all the mutton to the pot. Add enough liquid, like 2 cups of broth or water, to just cover the meat, along with any remaining marinade. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for at least 2 to 3 hours. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.